You need space for the leg, and because this is a balance between your body and your leg. Is it nice arabesque? If you can do not so much bending back or pushing the legs down. Yeah? If you are bent back but transfer your weight a little bit forward, you have the more space for your back leg. You see? That's right. Check your balance. I feel you too much back. You see? You stay like this and you're falling back. You need a little bit transfer your upper body forward for stay on your supine leg. That's right. That's right. You see? You need space for the leg, and because this is a balance between your body and your leg. You know?